This tutorial demonstrates how to obtain someone's phone number on Instagram without following their account. Due to Instagram's privacy measures, it's not a straightforward process. However, there are several methods to do so. Use Instagram's phone number finder feature to navigate to a user's profile setting or page. Look for the contact info, such as phone number or contact information. If the profile or number is not visible, access their email to address or contact them. Check the user's bio or direct message for contact information. If the user's bio does not contain phone numbers, send a direct message to see if they may share their phone number in a private conversation. Use public or online directories to look up the user's name. These directories may have the user's phone number listed if it's public.